Hey everybody, welcome back to What's Going On at PC 911. We're going to work on this unit here today. This is a custom dual boot unit that we sold a customer, and he did a Windows 10 upgrade and that crashed. Here basically we have the grub boot, so that was a surprise to him. Like I've pretty much mentioned on all my videos about Windows 10, is when you do that upgrade, make sure you don't really need your computer urgently, because something like this could happen. Now, for anybody out there that has one of these, one of our dual boot operating systems, it's a guaranteed crash, because Windows 10 is going to want to take over the boot, and it's going to crash with Grub, which is the one that controls the boot here. So hopefully this will be a boot repair. From there, it's going to go into the Windows 10 upgrade. Hopefully that goes well. We can have this computer back to our customer before the end of the day. Thanks for watching. All right, and here we are. We're back. We did the boot repair. Everything so far looks okay. We restarted the computer, and we're in the upgrade. Basically, like I mentioned in the last video, it tries to take over the actual startup, and that's where the dual boot fails. So here we're going to go into this upgrade. We're at almost 50%, and hopefully this works out smooth, and we'll be back in business. Thanks for watching. And here we are, and everything worked out with this Windows 10. Everything is good to go. You can see all the information right here. Let's go to our system settings, and there we go. Windows 10 up and running, all the drivers, everything looks good, but time will tell. I've had my Windows 10 actually works okay. Certain issues like this start button sometimes doesn't work, etc., but everything's good. So a thumbs up for this Windows 10 upgrade. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, here we are back with this Windows 10, and even though I had given it a thumbs up, apparently not. What happened was we were updating basically the software, specifically the Kaspersky Internet Security, which is what we're using here, and that seemed to have crashed the operating system. Now, I'm not going to blame it so much on the Kaspersky. What happens is, if you have a different operating system, so you had a Windows 8, you had a Windows 7, and you go to Windows 10, if those are all trying to start up and they're not compatible, they're going to cause a crash. So in one of my previous videos, I mentioned if you're going to do the upgrade, one of the tips was, for sure, remove your antivirus, because that is probably one of the higher probabilities. But pretty much anything that's starting up, I would turn it off, as to not create or not to have any extra potential problems from the upgrade. So I'm going to follow back up with you here. We're going to start up in safe mode, and we're going to remove remove some of the things from the startup. We're going to uninstall Kaspersky, and hopefully we'll be back in action. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so here we are back, finishing up with this. The problem was actually the Kaspersky, since it has Kaspersky version 15, which does not work on Windows 10. Obviously, when the computer boots up and tries to do its updates and run properly, it was creating the crash. We had to uninstall it, and we used the Kaspersky uninstall tool. Online, you can go up to Kaspersky.com and grab that from there, or you could try your regular uninstall, depending on how bad your system is. If it's corrupt, sometimes you won't be able to just uninstall it with your Windows uninstaller. So here we're just doing some updates. Everything looks pretty good so far. Updating there. We're going to be configuring the scans. Everything else looks pretty good. So we did have a monkey wrench, we did have a glitch, but it looks like we're going to overcome it, and we should be ready. If you don't see a follow-up, then it was good to go. If not, I'll be back.